Welcome back to Supernova 101 series. Today we'll explore how to leverage Supernova's approval workflows feature to streamline content reviews in your design system documentation. The approval workflows make collaboration more efficient by introducing a clear review process. You can assign statuses to your pages so your entire team knows exactly where a page stands before it's published. This ensures that changes are thoroughly reviewed and only content that meets the required standards gets published. Let's take a closer look at how we can set up and use these approval workflows in Supernova. To enable approval workflows functionality, simply go to your documentation settings and navigate to Workflows. Toggle the workflow option and you're all set. You can take it a step further by turning on the Restricted Publishing option, which ensures that only pages with approved status can be published. Once the approval workflows feature is enabled, any editor can request a review after making content changes. Reviewers can then access the Changes panel to see all pending reviews, where they can approve content or request revisions. This feature streamlines the review process, ensuring that your documentation remains consistent, high quality, and easy to manage. The publishing dialog is another powerful tool. It gives you a clear overview of each page's status, whether it's ready for review, awaiting changes, or ready for publish. This helps publishers quickly identify which pages are approved and ready to go live in the next release. With Supernova's approval workflows, you can confidently manage your design system documentation, knowing that every change is reviewed and only approved content gets published. Thank you for joining us and stay tuned for our next Supernova 101 episode. Until then, happy designing!